Vertebral Column Anatomy. The vertebral column, also called the spine or backbone, is the central support of the human body. It protects the spinal cord and helps us stand, bend, and move. It's made up of 33 vertebrae, divided into 5 regions. 7 cervical in the neck. 12 thoracic in the upper back. 5 lumbar in the lower back. 5 sacral fused into the sacrum, and 4 coccygeal fused into the coccyx. The spine naturally curves in 4 regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral, giving balance and shock absorption. Each vertebra has a body that bears weight, and a vertebral arch that forms a hole, the vertebral foramen, where the spinal cord passes through. It also has 7 processes, 1 spinous, 2 transverse, and 4 articular, allowing movement and muscle attachment. Between each vertebra lies an intervertebral disc, made of a tough outer ring, and a soft center, acting as a cushion for shock absorption. Together, these structures support the body, protect the spinal cord, and allow flexible movement, making the vertebral column truly the backbone of life. Cervical, 7. Thoracic, 12. Lumbar, 5. Sacrum, 5 fused. Coccyx, 4 fused. Intervertebral disc. Vertebral foramen.